All right. Okay, so come on, all of you make a list of how many the people you would love to forgive, who have done something wrong, who said something, who gave a jhapad, who gave gali, who did something very, very wrong, who were like very, 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 very bad to you, and who have just mistreated you, who has done wrong to you, was entirely wrong. Write the names. Write the names on your notebook. Who are those people who have really done really bad? It can be one, it can be two, it can be 10. A lot of people. Got it? Got your names? Very easy to recognize it. They are all here, all the time. ज़्यादा सोचना भी नहीं है. All the time we are carrying them on our head. Come sit on my head and keep troubling me. So much of power, right? If you got your names, just nod your head. All of you got your names? Got your names? Great. Now, I would love you to write the places where you would love to ask for forgiveness. Maybe you don't have that much of strength to go and ask for forgiveness, but you know you have done wrong. You know you should not have said that line. You know you should not have acted like that. You know you should not have hurted in the way you did. You said in the way you did. Right? We all have that guilt kind of where we should not have done that because our good heart is telling us ki you haven't done right there, right? But we have done now, right? We can't do anything. So forgiving our own self. So which are the places you would love to forgive yourself? Very important. Which are the places that you would, and we make certain news stories just because we don't want to take up that responsibility. So come on, think of the places you would love to ask for forgiveness. Which are the places you would love to ask for forgiveness? You are asking for forgiveness. It can be people, it can be situations, it can be asking from God. Nobody has seen it, but you know. Asking for forgiveness for your own self, the way you behaved with your own self. So come on, from people, from situations, from your own self, the way you treated your own self. All of you got where you want to ask forgiveness with your own self, right? Or from some other people where you did something which was not correct. You feel that, right? Okay. Now just close your eyes and imagine all of these people sitting in your heart. All of these people are sitting in your heart. And you are taking them out. You no longer belong here. I'm sorry. Thank you for teaching me whatever was to be taught. And now I free myself with this. See all of them going away now. And you are feeling lighter and lighter and lighter. They are leaving your body now. And today you choose peace and harmony. No matter what was done, no matter how wrong it is, but you don't decide now to carry them all through your life. It's done. It's over. It's past. You are free, completely free. Now you have created the space for good things to come in your life. In that space, see abundance coming in, see love coming in, see prosperity injecting in your body, hearts coming in your body, happiness and joy coming in your body. Because now you have space for all this. Great. Now take that paper, crush it, and go and put it in your dustbin. It belongs to the dustbin. No more here. Crush the paper, that forgiveness list. Go put it in the dustbin, put it, flush it, burn it, do something. Come on. Take that paper out, crush it. हो गया भाई, मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें करनी है जीवन में, यही तुम सबको लेके तो ही चलना है, राइट? गो क्रश इट क्विकली, क्रश इट और put it in the dustbin or flush it. Any of this. It should not belong in your notebook now. It doesn't belong to your notebook. It doesn't belong to you only. It's not yours. You are made to do great things. You are not made to carry this kachra. All of you. Sangeeta, it's very, very cold. I'm planning in March to actually come to that side, Meghalaya and Assam. Pata nahi, at that time will the cold will
No,
not
no,
be
no. No, actually, I am in Rajasthan right now.
there. Okay. Yeah. At your mom's house.
Yeah.
Yes, all of you got it? Hataya, are you feeling lighter? Better? We just did 2 minutes. You can do it anytime. Anytime you start feeling a lot of these, just say, I'm just removing them from my heart. I will not carry you. Thank you for teaching me whatever you taught. Now it's time to let go. I choose peace. 2, 3 lines. create some anchor for yourself that whenever this will start, what are you going to say to yourself? I choose peace. I choose a beautiful life, right? Okay. Now, open up your notebook. Now, we know whatever we appreciate increases in our body, right? If you are appreciating a person, the person, your husband, will feel like doing more for you. And if you're not appreciating, he'll feel like doing less for you. करेक्ट कि इसको तो कितना भी कुछ कर लो हंसती नहीं है खुशी नहीं होती है yes so very very important to appreciate what's working. Okay, so appreciating in our body what's working in our favor so that the body is also inspired to do more because already it's doing so much. Can you see that? I hope you all have seen that. So now I would love you to really sit and write what is working in my body. What is working? I'm not saying very well. What is working in my body? I have teeth, so I'm able to chew my food. That's working in my body. I have my digestive system and I'm able to digest the food. That's working in my body. Right? I have eyes and I'm able to see this session and the presentation and the colors also. That's working in my body, right? So, what all is working in your body? I would love you to put the focus there. Whatever we focus on expands, right? So, I can sit straight. So, my back is working because I'm able to sit straight. I'm able to do yoga. So, wow, I have flexible body. I'm able to do my walking. So, that's great. So, all of the things that's working in your body, I would love you to sit and create. So, I'll put up a music and I would love you to think about everything that's working in your body. You have the energy to do the class. You have the energy to cook. That's working in your body, right? The blood is circulating. That's working in your body. Your heart is pumping. That's working in your body. Your skin is clear. That's working in your body. Your breath is working. Have you noticed? You're alive. That's working in your body. Your organs are also clean. That's there. My diaphragm is working in my body. My brain is sharp to do this. My brain is able to understand it. My ears are able to hear it. Wow. That's working in my body. So, all of you, come on, spend some time. What's working in your body? Whatever is working in your body. I have long, lustrous hair. That's working in my body. I have clean skin. That's working in my body. Whatever is working in your body. Smallest of things. Put your attention there. Come on. More you give appreciation, more you are letting amazing things happen. So in the money mastery also we have understood. More we appreciate the money that's there, more it comes. Same is for health. As many points you can think of, better. Because a lot of things are. right. Great. As many things you can think about. You can leave that more space so that after the class also I would love you to think of more things, because so many things are working and one or two things which are not doing that great, we are putting our attention there, which is actually the opposite of what we needed to, right? I hope all of you are experiencing little miracle in your body as you are doing this, right? Little things changing just because you are now creating new energy for your health. Okay. 5 reasons why now your conscious mind needs proof कि क्यों हुआ ये. So why did this new healthy body happen? So this will be your homework. Why did this new healthy body happen? This new healthy body, because we are creating now new body, right? We are not focusing on the old body. We are not focusing on pain. We are not focusing on what's not working. We are focusing on what's working. We are focusing on what we want to create. Remember, in one of the classes we have written what we want to create in the body. That's where the focus is. And more we focus on that, we are learning to actually bring the focus there, attention there, and that will start happening. So why did this new body happen? Come on, give answer. This new healthy body happened because I'm working on my happy cells. I'm visualizing my cells to be happy, dancing with party hat, confetti, and enjoying. So every time you think of yourselves, you should be enjoying with that party hat. Have you seen in बचपन में हम जो वो ऐसे लगाते थे और ये ऐसा. So your cells are like dancing ding, all the time. Every time you see your cells, you see your body. I should see you. Your body should be doing, your cells should be doing confetti, dancing, and balloons, and wow, they're enjoying the party is happening, right? So that's how I would love you to imagine your predominant thought about your cells. They're dancing, they're enjoying you because you are taking so much of care. So rather than worrying, oh, I have eaten this wrong, oh, I have done this wrong, so easy to just enjoy and see them dancing. And can we do that? So that should be. So why this new body happens? Because I have started to see my cells happy, dancing. Why this new body has happened? Because I have started to focus on what's working in my body. Why this new body has happened? Because now I see what I want in my body. Why has this new body happened? Because now my belief system about health has changed. Why this new body has happened? Because being healthy is my divine right. Why this new body has happened? Because I have worked on cellular level. Why this new body has happened? As many answers you can give up. I'm working on my mind and body, right? Because I have this healing ball inside my life force, and now I'm not using that for complaining or all of that. I'm using that life force to heal my body, and your body is intelligent. Your body is intelligent. You were just using it for other things. Now you're using it for your own self. All right, Sangeeta didn't slept properly. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow. I think Saturday, Sunday, we'll see if we will be able to. I'll talk about that on Friday. Today is Thursday, right? Tomorrow, because tomorrow it will not complete. Okay, we'll see. Whatever will happen, will happen. Okay, so take care. Sending lots of love to each one of you. Take care, and we'll meet again tomorrow. Take very good care of your own self. Just know that you don't have to worry so much. What are you eating? What are you doing? Just have good thoughts about it. That's it. Don't have criticizing energy like a porcupine. Okay, this is not happening. This is not happening. Okay, keep this smile and have happy cells dancing all the time. Sending so much of love, blessings, good health from the divine to each one of you. Everything that was difficult now is easy because divine is there working through you. Sending so much of love and blessings. Let's come and do a soul hug. And you can do this anytime because you are never alone. I'm always there. Divine is always there. And you are always there with you. Love you. Take care. Bye. Have a beautiful day. Bye, Jayashri. Bye, Bharat. Bye, Hashita. Bye, Sangeeta. Bye, Shakuntala. Take care. Have a beautiful day. Bye. टेक केयर प्रॉपरली। ठीक है, जिम्मेवारी दे रही हूँ। चलो बाय।